So last year at Halloween, I did this crazy prop with a puking skeleton, and he had this green glowing stuff coming out, and it was awesome. And it glowed in the black light. And now I just got these solar powered eyeballs that are almost the same shade of green as what this. So you know that I'm going to incorporate these into the Halloween prop somehow. I've got an idea that I think I'm going to use, but let me show you these first. These are super easy to put together. You just put the stakes in the bottom here, take the plastic off of the solar panel, let them charge for a good 6 to 12 hours before you use them, and you just pop each eyeball on. Make sure you press them in tight and then press them down onto the rod a little bit, making sure the bulb is inside the eyeball and not at the base. So on your way to the skeleton, you had to walk through this toxic waste fog that I did with a green laser and low-lying fog. And as you walk through it, you know, you see the green laser light. So just imagine them below the fog line where, you know, the swampy fog line. And then as the fog moves up and down, you see these things rolling around and crack-a-lacking in the fog. Spooky is not even the word for it. It's awesome. You'll be able to hear it and see it.